Hey, how are you? So, I'm just getting in from work, right? So I got all my rings, all my bangles, all that stuff. I have not gotten acclimated to being at home yet. But I got this in the mail today. My address is on there. From Green Escapes on Etsy. I'll leave a link. I want you guys to see what I got. And this is important, right? I have a section that I need to do on this Hoya that I got. I'm so excited because all the Hoyas that I showed you guys before are still alive and they are thriving, but I fell in love with this new one and I'll do a video on it. It's a Hoya macrophylla. So I got a few of them online. I got 4 plugs, like little sample ones, not sample ones, like little seedlings. And one of them didn't do well. So I went back to the Green Escapes. I told you guys about them before. I really like using them, so I'll make sure I leave you guys a link. And I got a few things. And I'll show you. So, opening this guy up. I think I'm gonna have to do this like Christmas. Yeah, like Christmas. So they wrapped it up really good. They put it in 2 boxes. I really like the Green Escapes. I've gotten a few. I put an S on there. That's so culturally appropriate. It's the Green Escape. There's no S at the end. I always feel like Tyra Banks at this point when I'm doing these open box vids. Let's see what I got first. In my hands, I hold, and I'll tell you after the commercial break. No commercial break. I don't have any sponsors. Oh, okay. This, I've never seen it black. I don't know if this is a good one. Wow, I have to do some research on this. So this is my Monstera Peru. I have one that I love, but I want it to be fuller. So I got this. I've never seen it black. I am going to have to do a little research on this, but I think it's fine. I think it's fine. I don't know. Yeah, I think this is good. We'll see. I think it is. I hope it's not ruined. We'll see. So this is a Monstera Peru. I have one that's doing really, really well. I got it last year, so this one's gonna go into the same vessel. This is my macrophylla. I kind of wish I could have showed it to you with the ones that I got before, because there's already a video that's like made. But again, I needed fullness in the vessel. So I got a 4-inch plant. And what I like about this is it almost looks like, it reminds me of a turtle's back, but it also reminds me of stained glass windows. I don't know why, because it's just green. There's only one color. Let's see. Okay. Wrap this hell out this sucker. Look how pretty that is. And not one of them is broken. I'm so happy. Thank you guys. Well, yep, none of them are broken. So this is a Hoya macrophylla. And look at the leaves. Look at that, almost like a turtle, right? Or like a stained glass window. So this will go into a pot with some of its cousins. And we'll get back to that. So we'll do an update on that one right there. See what plant is in here. It's nothing. Okay, and here's my last one. So I'm gonna tell you a little backstory on this. I was in the flower market in the flower district, and I saw this guy, and it had a fuzzy stem. Now, you guys know I love philodendrons. I love Hoyas. love monsteras. This is a philodendron. And because of this plant, I learned that the stem, it's not called a stem, it's called a petiole. This right here is a philodendron fuzzy petiole. And they call it that. Oh, one of the leaves are broken. Oh. Dag narbit. Okay, I got these other ones though. These things happen in shipping. Upset about that though. But I don't know if you can see, outside of having these beautiful leaves, look at that, it's a little iridescent. I don't know if you can catch that. So outside of having these beautiful leaves, the petiole, almost call it a stem, is fuzzy. It's like a little fuzz on there, and it's more pronounced as the plant matures. Hopefully I can keep this guy alive. So we'll have updates on all of these. Like always, thank you guys for coming back. I love that you are here. If you have come back, if you like anything that you have seen, even if it's my mustache, tell a friend and tell them to like and subscribe to my channel. I need this family to grow, try to blow up. I want to spread the message about plants. So if you like what you see, like, subscribe, and tell a friend. All right, guys? See you later.